ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्री रूपम सागर जातम सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवम साद्वैतं सार्धूतं परिजन सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवम श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्विताश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकाकांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते। तप्तकांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वांशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांता स्वामी नामने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारने निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशाचारने शिला प्रभुपाद की Okay, so you got to go. Okay, who has come home?
Shaman?
Who has come?
Shaman's driver.
But I am very tired. I can't start that. What wonderful Gatha in Ramayana. When Sita, Ram, Lakshman ji go to Atri and Suya's ashram. There was no program this evening. This was not printed on the list, and I wanted to take rest. Very tired, and yesterday there were 3 programs. But then Shyamlal rang me in the morning. Haribol beta. Good boy. Jai Haribol. That's very nice. Jai. Very nice. Jai Prem. Put it here actually. This is move this up. Lal rang and then he asked me, where is the program today? No, how I know where is the program. I said, you live there, you know the program. You are to tell me in the evening when I come. You are asking me. So then I told him that ring your senior God brothers and try to find where I shall be staying today at night. find that and then find if there is any program. So then he rang great sage Atri Maharaj ki. And he always remains waiting for the program. So Shyamlal rang him and he immediately, though he knew there is no program today, he said, okay, ever ready. Then I had told him that after fixing everything, you ring me back so that I know what is it. He became too busy, he himself didn't ring. Then he found somebody else to ring. So I think you didn't inform all the people here.
I tried calling across back, but I couldn't get through.
They all will complain tomorrow or next Sunday. Why didn't you inform me? And the other will also say, why didn't inform you? And their shoes are so beautiful. All these hairs without razor with these. Anyway, thank you very much for coming such short notice. Just rang today and immediately. You all have come, and I am very grateful to all of you who have come. I pray to the Lord to give you His eternal, loving, devotional service. Prem, how are you? There will be very hot. You won't get here. Come here. Yes. That. Yes. Your son hasn't?
No.
His exams finished?
Exams are finished. They did some work at home. They haven't finished.
Okay. Anyway, I am, as I told, very tired, so I won't speak long. Just repeat a few verses of Bhagavad Gita, then we shall finish. But I am very grateful to you all that you came. Very, very short notice. Though he invited only 10% people, but still he is successful. Brahmdev Prabhu ki Jai Ho. So how is the health of your mother?
It's much improved.
Can she walk?
She can.
Is she taking her normal food? Thanks to Krishna. And 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, the universal form, that is going on, and we start from verse 25. There are many stories, many kathas to be told about PE tour, PE programs. But now I shall just say that it was very, very nice tour, very beautiful. Everyone was enjoying, everyone was ecstatic. Very busy, but very ecstatic. All these boys, they were doing very good Harinam Sankirtan. And for hours. Purifying the atmosphere of this country by transcendental sound vibrations. Yes, 11th chapter. Name is the universal form. भगवान जी के विराट रूप के दर्शन. We can start from 24. Verse 24. Little bad. Beautiful verses. Very nice. I may read first 23rd as well. रूपम महत्ते बहु वक्तर नेतरम महाबाहो महु बहु बाहुरुपादम बहु उदरम बहु दंष्ट्रा करालम दृष्ट्वा लोका प्रव्यथितास तथा. O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form, with its many faces, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, and bellies, and your many terrible teeth. And as they are disturbed, so am I. Arjuna is saying this thing after seeing the Lord's universal form. जब अर्जुन भगवान जी के विराट रूप के दर्शन कर चुके तो इसको देख करके अर्जुन बहुत घबरा गया. तो उस समय घबरा करके फिर उसने प्रार्थना शुरू कर दी भगवान जी से. फिर वह अगले वर्ष में कहते हैं नभय सप्रेशम दीप्तम अनेक वर्णम व्यातताननम दीप्त विशाल नेत्रम दृष्ट्वा ही त्वाम प्रव्यथितांतर आत्मा धृतम न विंदामि शमम च विष्णु. Nav means sky. Sprish means to touch. O all-pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors, touching the sky, your gaping mouths and your great glowing eyes, my mind is perturbed by fear. I can no longer maintain any steadiness or equilibrium of mind. So now 25th verse. Please repeat. Danshtra kralani cha te mukhani drishtavaiva kalanala sannibhani दिशो न जाने न लभे च शरम प्रसीद देवेश जगन निवास दंष्ट्राक्रालानि चैते मुखानि दृष्टवैव कालानल सन्निभानि not kalanal, kalanal. Long A. There is a dash on both A. Kalanal. From two words, kal and anal. Kal means time, eternal time, and anal means fire. दिशो न जाने न लभे च शरम प्रसीद देवेश जगन निवास. O Lord of Lords, O refuge of the worlds, please be gracious to me. I cannot keep my balance, seeing thus your blazing, death-like faces and awful teeth. In all directions I am bewildered. Next two verses together. Amicha tvam dhritarashtrasya putraha sarve sahaivavani palasangai भीष्मो द्रोण सूतपुत्र तथासौ सहासमदीयैर अपि योद्मुखै अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्रः सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्गै सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्गै भीष्मो द्रोण सूतपुत्रस्तथासौ भीष्मो द्रोण सूतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहस्रमन्दीयैरपि योद्मुखै सहस्रमदीयैरपि योद्मुख्यै वक्तराणि ते त्वरमाना विशन्ति वक्तराणि ते त्वरमाना विशन्ति त्वरमाना विशन्ति दंष्ट्राक्रालानि विहाङ्कानि च दंष्ट्राक्रालानि व्यहानकानि केचिद् विलग्ना दशानन्तरेषु केचिद् विलग्ना दशानन्तरेषु केचिद् विलग्ना दशानन्तरेषु सदृश्यांते चूर्णितैर् उत्तमाङ्गैः सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैर् उत्तमाङ्गैः सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैर् उत्तमाङ्गैः। All the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with their allied kings and Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and our chief soldiers also, are rushing into your fearful mouths, and some I see trapped with heads smashed between your teeth. Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagwan ki Jai. That is Lord Virat Roop. First he wanted to see Lord Virat Roop, universal one. And now Lord when is showing this, his Virat Roop, now he has become perturbed, so disturbed. And praying to the Lord, my dear Lord, I am seeing this. I didn't want to see this. Yes, you did want. You said, I want to see your universal form. Okay, now see. Why are you saying this, sir? यथा नदीनां वैभवो अम्बुवेगः यथा नदीनां वैभवो अम्बुवेगः समुद्रम् एव अभिमुखा द्रवन्ति समुद्रमेव अभिमुखा द्रवन्ति समुद्रम् एवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा त्वामि नरलोकवीरा तथा तवामि नरलोकवीरा विशान्ति वक्तराणि अभिविज्वलन्ति विशान्ति वक्तराणि अभिविज्वलन्ति वशान्ति वक्तराणि अभिविज्वलन्ति As the many waves of the rivers flow into the ocean, so do all these great warriors enter blessing into your mouths. Yatha paradiptam jwalanam patanga Yatha pradiptam jwalanam patanga Vishanti nashaye समृद्ध वेगा विशांति नाशाय समृद्ध वेगा तथैव नाशाय विशान्ति लोकास् तथैव नाशाय विशान्ति लोकास् तवापि वक्तराणि समृद्ध वेगा तवापि वक्तराणि समृद्ध वेगा I see all people rushing full speed into your mouths as motes dash to destruction in a blazing fire. This is Lord's universal form, Virat Roop. Leli hiyase, Leli hiyase, ग्रासमानय समांताल लोकान समग्रान वदनैर ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिर अपूर्य जगत समग्रम भासस तवोग्राहा प्रतपन्ति विष्णु लेलीह्यसे ग्रासमाना समान्ताल लेलीह्यसे ग्रासमानाः समान्ताल लोकान् समग्रान् वदनैर्ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिरपूर्य जगत् समग्रम् भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णो भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णु O Vishnu, I see you devouring all people from all sides with your flaming mouths, covering all the universe with your effulgence. You are manifest with terrible, scorching rays. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की विराट रूप की आख्याहि में को भगवान उग्र रूपो नमोस्तुते देववर प्रसीद विज्ञातुम् इच्छामि भवन्तं आद्यं नाहि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तम् आख्याहि मे को भवान् उग्र रूपो नमोस्तुते देववर प्रसीद विज्ञातुम् इच्छामि भवन्तम् आद्यम् नहि प्रजनामि तव प्रवृत्तम् नहि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तम्
nahi prajanami tava pravitam,
prajanami
prajanami
nahi prajanami tav pravritam,
nahi prajanami tava pravitam,
prajanami
prajanami
prajanami. O Lord of Lords, so fierce of form, please tell me who you are. I offer my obeisances unto you. Please be gracious to me. You are the primal Lord. I want to know about you, for I do not know what your mission is. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की भगवान के विराट रूप की Now he has become so disturbed. He can't understand why Lord has taken this fearful form, fierce form, terrible form. Very fear, so afraid of that form. But doesn't know at that time that you wanted to see that form. You requested, and now see. Pure devotee of the Lord. Glorified. And now asking who you are. Shri Bhagavan Vach
Shri Bhagavan Vacha
Kalo Asmi
Kalo Asmi
Lokshayakrit
Lokshayakrita
Pravridho.
Pravridho.
Now Lord is giving a reply. Kalo Asmi Lokshayakrit Pravridho
Kalo Asmi Lokshayakrita Pravridho
Lokan
Lokan
Samahartum
Samahartum
Iha
Iha
Pravrittaha
Pravrittaha
Lokan Samahartum Iha Pravritta
Lokan Samahartum Iha Pravrittaha
Rite pi tvam na bhavishyanti sarve
Devi Vamna Bhavishyanti Sarve
Rite pi tvam na bhavishyanti sarve
Devi Vamna Bhavishyanti Sarve
Ye avasthitah pratyanikeshu yodha Ye avasthitah pratyanikeshu
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 yodha
Yodha
ye avasthita pratyanikeshu yodha pratyanikeshu yodha ye avasthita pratyanikeshu yodha Shri Bhagavan Vach. Bhagavan means Supreme Personality of Godhead. Vach means said. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said. What he is saying? He is saying, Kalo Asmi, Arjun, time I am. Kal, time. Time means death. काल का भी काल, eternal time. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, time I am, the great destroyer of the worlds. Great destroyer of all the worlds. And I have come here to destroy all people. With the exception of you. with the exception of you, because you are my pure devotee and you are my friend. Except you, Pandavas, everyone will be destroyed here in this battlefield. With the exception of you, the Pandavas, all the soldiers here on both sides will be slain. Will be slain. अब सोचो कि यदि भगवान कृष्ण ने अवतार लिया और महाभारत करवाया और किसी भी दुष्ट पापी को नहीं छोड़ा, तो जब कृष्ण अपने कल्कि रूप में प्रकट होंगे, जिनका रूप ही संहार का होगा, उड़ाते चले जाएंगे। तो वह रूप उनका कैसा हो? भगवान कल्कि तो अपने पूरे रूप में प्रकट होंगे, वो शिशु रूप में, बच्चे रूप में प्रकट नहीं होंगे। He won't appear as a baby. Fortunate souls will see the appearance of Lord Kalki. He will come from his Golok. He will be coming, and then Samudra Ghoda, the horse from the ocean of milk, will be coming out and going upward. Very nicely dressed and decorated. Then Lord will sit on his back. Very long and heavy, dazzling sword will be in his hand. That is how he will land on this earth planet. And he will be running so fast that horse, even the winds will fail, cyclones will fail, big storms will fail. No one will have that speed. Only splash. Because he will appear, that horse will appear from the ocean of milk, so the color of the horse will be as white as milk. As white as so please prepare yourself to see the Kalki avatar of Krishna, to have the darshan of his horse appearing from the ocean of milk, and Kalki coming from Golok. Krishna himself appearing as Kalki avatar. That will not be Vishnu avatar, will not be Kshirodakshai Vishnu coming. Or Garbhodakshai Vishnu or Mahavishnu, Karnodakshai Vishnu. Kalki avatar, again Krishna is coming himself, but in Kalki incarnation. That will be Kalki incarnation. Very powerful incarnation of the Lord. So his sword, his khadga will be so long, so heavy, so beautiful, shining. It will be completely dazzling. And these Rakshasas, Daitas, Asuras, all of them, they won't be able to do anything. They will remain sitting where they are. They will remain standing where they are. They won't be able to see the horse and aim at him. And what to speak of the Lord? And within moments, their heads will be, yes? Yes. That will happen all over the earth planet. Only few devotees of the Lord will survive. All round destruction. All the sinful people will be finished. Then the devotees of the Lord, they will again populate this earth planet according to the instructions of Lord's Kalki avatar. Because immediately Satyuga will start. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Time I am the great destroyer of the worlds, and I have come here to destroy all people, with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain." It is written in the Vedas that the Supreme Truth destroys everything, even the Brahmins, as stated in the Katha Upanishad. Yasya brahmacha kshatram cha ube bhavat odanai mrityur yasya upasejanam kaitha veda yatra saha. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की Eventually all the Brahmins, Kshatriyas and everyone else are devoured like a meal by the Supreme. This form of the Supreme Lord is the all-devouring giant, and here Krishna presents himself in that form of all-devouring time. Except for a few Pandavas, everyone who was present on that battlefield would be devoured by him. Arjuna was not in favor of the fight, and he thought it was better not to fight. Then there would be no frustration. In reply, the Lord is saying that even if he did not fight, every one of them would be destroyed. That was the thing. And showed to Arjuna. And the Lord told him, whether you fight or not. But their end has arrived. They will be finished. They will be destroyed. And the Lord is showing him how they are being destroyed. मैं तो ये चाहता हूं कि तुम निमित्त मात्र बन जाओ। अर्जुन, निमित्त मात्र, ये तो मेरे पहले ही मारे हुए हैं। They are already killed by me. You just get the name. Arjun. In a reply, the Lord is saying that even if he did not fight, every one of them would be destroyed. For that was his plan. If Arjun stopped fighting, they would die in another way. Death could not be checked, even if he did not fight. In fact, they were already dead. Time is destruction, and all manifestations are to be vanquished by the desire of the Supreme Lord. That is the law of nature. That is the law of nature. Shri Radha Krishna Bhagwan ki jai. Tasmat tishth yasho lavas. Joe, Joe, Joe. Bhai, this is Bhagavad Gita, bhai. This is Geet. This is song. This should be sung. Gita, Sugita. Gita, Sugita, Kartavya. Kartavya. Vyasadeva ji is saying. Kartavya means duty. This is the duty of everyone. And what is that duty? To sing. And what to sing? Bhagavad Gita, the transcendental song, the supreme song, sung by the Lord Himself. So please read and sing. Tasmat tvam uttishta yasho lavasva Jitva shatrun bhunksha svarajyam samridham Mayaivaite nihata purumeva Nimitta matram bhava savyasachan. Here Lord is using the word savyasachan for Arjuna. Savyasachan means who can use his left arm also as efficiently, as strongly as the right arm. Arjuna had got that power. He could use his left arm also as efficiently, as perfectly, as strongly as the right arm. The person who can use his left arm also like that, he is called Savyasachan. Arjuna was Savyasachan. So if we get any boy like this who can use his left hand also like that, according to the right hand, both hands acting as right hand, then we should immediately name him Savyasachan. Because we need many Savyasachans to fight the Asuras.
Name to both ends.
Both hands? Very good. Equally working? Very good. So you can use the gun by both hands. Tasmati uttishta yasho lavasva. भगवान जी कह रहे हैं अर्जुन तस्मात therefore Tvam you Uttishta stand up. Yash, fame, lavasa, find, receive. Therefore get up, prepare to fight and win glory. Conquer your enemies and enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement. They are already put to death by my arrangement. And you, O Sabyasachi, can be but an instrument in the fight. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की, श्रीमद् भागवत गीता की, श्री अर्जुन की जय हो अर्जुन, श्रीला प्रभुपाद की. This was wonderful Lord's plan. द्रोणम च भीष्मम च जयद्रथम च द्रोणम च भीष्मम च जयद्रथम च कर्णं तथान्यानि अपि योधवीरान् कर्णं तथान्यानि अपि योधवीरान् मया हतांस्त्वं जहिमा व्याधिष्ठा मया हतांस त्वं जहिमा व्याधिष्ठा योद्धया सब जेतासी रणे सपतनान योद्धया जेतासी रणे सपतनान Spatana, enemies. Drona, Bhisham, Jayadratha, Karna, and the other great warriors have already been destroyed by me. Therefore kill them and do not be disturbed. Simply fight and you will vanquish your enemies in battle. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की ये बोन भी दे दिया लॉर्ड ने. He was already granted. Sanjay Uvacha Etach Shrutva Vachana Keshavasya Etach Shrutva Vachanam Keshavasya Kritanjalirvepamana Kirti Kritanjalirvepamana Kirti. This is Kriti, not Kirti. The eye, both the eyes towards the end, they are long, long E, R, long E. Then T, long E. So it became Kriti. Bolo, Kriti. 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 Kritanjalirvepamana Pranamaya. Sanjay said to Dhritarashtra, O king, after hearing these words from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the trembling Arjuna offered obeisances with folded hands again and again. He fearfully spoke to Lord Krishna in a faltering voice as follows. What he said? Arjuna Vacha Sathane Harishikesh Taprakirtiya Sathane Harishikesh Taprakirtaya Jagta Paraharishyati Anurajyate Cha Jagta Praharishyati Anurajyate Cha Rakshansi Bhitani Disho Dravanti Rakshansi Bhitani Disho Dravanti Sarve Namasyanti Cha Siddha Sangha Sarve Namasyanti Cha Siddha Sangha. Arjuna said, O master of the senses, Rishikesh, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you their respectful homage, the demons are afraid. The demons are afraid. Rakshansi Bhitani. The demons are afraid. Devotees are offering their obeisances, but demons are afraid. And they flee here and there. Rakshansi Bhitani Disho Dravanti. They flee in all the directions. All this is rightly done. All this is rightly done. Sathane. Sathane means rightly done. Sathane Harishikesh Taprakirtaya Jagat Praharishyati Anurajyate Cha Rakshansi Bhitani Dishodravanti Sarve Namasyanti Jai Siddha Sangha Sathane Harishikesh Tava Prakirtaya Jagat Praharishyati Anurajyate Cha Rakshansi Bhitani Dishodravanti Sarve Namasyanti Jai Siddha Sangha Kasamac Chatena Nameran Mahatman Nameran Mahatman Griyase Brahmano Api Adi Kartare Kasmac Chatena Nameran Mahatman Griyase Brahmano Api Adi Kartare Ananta Devesha Jaganan Nivas Tvam Aksharam Sada Asat Tat Param Yat O Great One, greater even than Brahma, you are the original creator. Why then should they not offer their respectful obeisances unto you? O limitless One, God of gods, refuge of the universe, you are the invincible source, the cause of all causes, transcendental to this material manifestation. Tvam Aksharam Sada Asat Tat Param Yat Param, transcendental. Sat, Asat. Sat means cause, Asat means effect. Sat means eternal, Asat means temporary. So Sat means cause and Asat means effect. Cause and effect. Sat, Asat. Cause of all causes. Tvam Adideva Purusha Puranam Tvam Asya Vishvasya Paramanidhanam Vetasi Vedyam Cha Param Cha Dham Tvaya Tatam Vishvam Ananta Rupa Tvam Adideva Purusha Puranam Tvam Asya Vishvasya Paramanidhanam Vetasi Vedyam Cha Param Cha Dham त्वया ततं विश्वम् अनंत रूप. You are the original personality of Godhead, the oldest, the ultimate sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You are the knower of everything, and you are all that is knowable. Knower also, knowable also. You are the supreme refuge, above the material mode, O limitless form. This whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you. Is pervaded by you. Tvaya tatam vishvam ananta rupam. वायुर्यमो अग्निर्वरुण शशांक. Who knows the meaning of Shashanka? You have read this many times. I can understand your cleverness. First was everyone silent, and then everyone one after the other. You found from the वायुर्यमो अग्निर्वरुण शशांक है. प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रापतामहश्च. प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रापतामहश्च. प्रापतामहश्च. नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्व. नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्व. Sahasra means 1,000. So here he is saying 1,000 times, unlimited times, I am paying my obeisances to you. Thousands and thousands of times. Sahasra kritva. Sahasra means 1,000. Remember, don't forget it. 1,000 means Sahasra. Sahasra means 1,000. And what is the Sanskrit of the 100? That also you read many times. 100 means Shat. Shat. Bolo, Shat.
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 Sahasra.
Sahasra.
Okay. Namo namastestu sahasra kritva.
Namo namaste sahasra.
Punasya bhuvopi namo namaste.
Punasya bhuvopi namo namaste.
Punasya bhuvopi namo namaste.
Punasya bhuvopi namo namaste.
Swaha.
Swaha.
This will be happening on Christmas Day by the mercy of the Lord. All these 700 verses will be chanted and oblation poured into the sacred fire. So please read again. Vayor yamo agnir varuna shashanka.
Vayor yamo agnir varuna shashanka.
प्रजापतस्त्वं प्रापतामहश्च
प्रजापति स्वां प्राजामहश्च
नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः
नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः
पुनश्च भुवोऽपि नमो नमस्ते
पुनश्च भुवोऽपि नमो नमस्ते
स्वाहा You are air and you are the supreme controller. Yam. You are fire, you are water, and you are the moon. You are Brahma, the first living creature, and you are the great grandfather. Not only grandfather, but great grandfather. Prapatamahasya. I therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto you 1,000 times, and again, and yet
again.
So unlimited times. Namah prastadat prishthastaste Namah Purastad Ath Prishthatas Te Namah Purastad Yath Prishthatate Namah Purastadat Prishtataste Obeisances to you from the front, from behind, and from all sides. See how wonderfully Arjuna is paying his obeisances. Now he felt defeat. He can't glorify. Now he said, what I can do now is that just continue paying obeisances to the Lord. That's all. That is what we are to do. Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama,
कृष्ण भगवान की,
जय।
श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की,
जय।
श्री अर्जुन की,
जय।
श्रीला प्रभुपाद की।
जय।
नमः प्रसदात पृष्ठते, नमोस्तुते सर्वत एव सर्व, अनंत वीर्यामित विक्रमस्त्वं, सर्वं समापनोषि ततोऽसि सर्व, ततोऽसि सर्व। नमः प्रसाद आथ पृष्ठस्ते पृष्ठतस्ते नमोस्तुते सर्वत एव सर्व, अनंत वीर्यामित विक्रमस्त्वं, सर्वं समापनोषि सर्वं समापनोषि ततोऽसि सर्वः, ततोऽसि सर्वः। नमः प्रसदादथ पृष्ठतस्ते, नमोस्तुते सर्वत एव सर्व, अनंत वीर्यामित विक्रमस्त्वं, सर्वं समापनोषि ततोऽसि सर्व। Obeisances to you from the front, from behind, and from all sides. O unbounded power, you are the master of limitless might. You are all pervading, and thus you are everything. And thus you are everything. Sakheti matva prasvam yaduktam. Very beautiful verses are coming now. Sakheti matva prasvam yaduktam. He Krishna, He Yadav, He Sakheti.
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 अजानता महिमानं तवेदं। हाँ, हे भगवान, मैं आपकी महिमा को नहीं जानता था। अजानता महिमानं तवेदं, मया प्रमादात प्रणयेन वापि, मया प्रमादात प्रणयेन वापि, वापि लॉन्ग। यच चावः सारथम् असत्कृतोऽसि, यच चावः सार्थम् असत्कृतोऽसि। ओके, यच चा अभास आर्थम्, यच चा अवहासार्थम्, यच चावहासार्थम्, असत्कृतोऽसि, यच चावहास आर्थम् असत्कृतोऽसि। यच च अवहास आर्थम् असत्कृतोऽसि। यच चावहास आर्थम् असत्कृतोऽसि। विहार शय्यासन भोजनेषु विहार शय्यासन भोजनेषु विहार शय्यासन भोजनेषु। अब अर्जुन भगवान जी को कह रहा है कि मैंने बहुत बड़ी बड़ी गलतियां की हैं, मैं तो आपके ऊपर अभहास, हासा, मखौल, जोक करता था आपसे जब हम खेल रहे होते थे विहार, while playing शय्यासन, while lying down on the beds, I was joking, making jokes to you. I didn't know at that time. So he is asking for no forgiveness, surrendered soul. विहार शय्यासन भोजनेषु। These are very simple words. Why can't you? Vihar, Shayyasan, Bhojaneshu. These are so easy. Bhojaneshu, while eating. So while playing, while lying down, while sleeping, while eating, because they were doing together, they were friends. He was related to Krishna in the relationship of friendship. And friends generally, they joke to each other. So Arjun was thinking, here is my friend. In that relationship, he was always joking. But now he said, oh my Lord, you are this universal force, blazing mouth, and everyone is entering your mouth. Please forgive me. Now praying to the Lord. अब कहता मेरे से बहुत गलतियां हुई, मेरे को क्षमा कर दो, मैं तो तुम्हारे को मित्र ही समझता रहा, मैं यही कहता रहा कि ये तो मेरा कजन है, और तेरे को कजन समझ करके मैं कई बार रिस्पेक्ट के साथ, मान के साथ, आदर के साथ आपको बुलाता भी नहीं था, जो करता ये कहा करता था, ओ कृष्ण, ओ यादव, इधर आ। भगवान की लीला देखो कितनी अद्भुत है। So wonderful are the pastimes of the Lord. With friends, he becomes a first-class friend, and you can't recognize here is the Supreme Lord. And with the brother, with cousins, first-class cousin. Everything is first-class on absolute platform. Arjun wanted to be with him in the relationship of a friend. So Lord became friend. He was his pure devotee. He fulfilled his desire. Okay, you want to relate it to me in the relationship of friendship? I become your first-class friend. Now he became friend, and poor fellow couldn't even recognize, here is the Supreme Lord. Oh Krishna, oh Yadav, कहाँ जा रहा है? इधर आ। भगवान की लीला देखो कितनी अद्भुत है। श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की, यादव राय की। सखेति मत्वा प्रसवं यदुक्तं, हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति, अजानता महिमानं तवेदं, मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि, जच्चावहास्यार्थम् असत्कृतोऽसि, विहारशय्यासन भोजनेषु, एकोऽथवापि अच्युत तत् समक्षम्, एकोऽथ वापि अच्युत तत समक्षम तत क्षामये त्वाम अहम अपरमेयम त्वाम अहम अपरमेयम। वंडरफुल। जय हो अर्जुन। बोलो। एकोऽथ वापि अच्युत तत् समक्षम तत् क्षामये त्वाम अहम अप्रमेयम तत् क्षामये त्वाम अहम अप्रमेयम। Thinking of you as my friend, I have rashly addressed you. O Krishna, O Yadav, O my friend, not knowing your glories, please forgive whatever I may have done in a madness, or in love, love. Jai Ho Arjun. I have dishonored you many times. Jesting as we relaxed, lay on the same bed, or sat or ate together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of many friends. Oh infallible one, please excuse me for all those offenses. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् वेरी गुड त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च च गुरुर्गरीयान् त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समो अस्ति अभ्यधिक कुतो अन्यो न त्वत्समोऽस्ति अभ्यधिक कुतो अन्यो अधिक कुतो अन्यो न त्वत् समोऽस्ति अभ्यधिक कुतो अन्यो न त्वत्समोऽस्ति अभ्यधिक कुतोऽन्यो लोकत्रयेऽपि अप्रतिमा प्रभाव लोकत्रयेऽपि अप्रतिमा प्रभाव You are the father of this complete cosmic manifestation of the moving and the non-moving. You are its worshipable chief, the supreme spiritual master. No one is equal to you, nor can anyone be one with you. How then could there be anyone greater than you within the three worlds, O Lord of immeasurable power? Yeah. तस्मात् प्रणमया प्रणिधाय कायम् प्रसादय त्वाम् अहम् ईशम् ईड्यम् पतेव पुत्रस्य सखेव सख्यु प्रिय प्रियार अर्हसि देव शोडम प्रिय प्रियार्हसि देव शोडम Beautiful. How in a different way he is asking for forgiveness. You are the Supreme Lord, to be worshipped by every living being. Thus I fall down to offer you my respectful obeisances and ask your mercy. As a father tolerates the impudence of his son, or a friend tolerates the impertinence of a friend, or a wife tolerates the familiarity of her partner, please tolerate the wrongs I may have done you. What wonderful comparisons Arjuna is using. As a father tolerates the impudence of his son, or a friend tolerates the impertinence of a friend, or a wife tolerates the familiarity of her partner, please tolerate the wrongs I may have done. Adrishtapurvam harishtoasmi drishtva Adrishtapurvam harishtoasmi drishtva Bhayena cha pravyathitam mano me Bhayena cha pravyathitam mano me Tadeva me darshya deva rupam Tadeva me darshya deva rupam Prasid devesha jagananavas Prasid devesha jagananavas Jai Ho. So now here he is requesting, my dear Lord, please show me now your original form, two-armored form, with flute, that form which is in Golok. अब आप मेरे को अपने गोलोक वाली मूर्ति दिखाओ, उसी के दर्शन कराओ, जिसके दर्शन मैं सदा करता था आपके साथ। ये जो आपका रूप है ये बहुत भयानक है, बहुत डरावना है, इसे आप वापस ले लो। अब मैं आपके गोलोक वाले रूप को ही देखना चाहता हूं, यूनिवर्सल को नहीं। घबरा गया बेचारा। What wonderful praise he is doing. Adreshta purvam harishtosmi drishtva bhayena cha pravyathitam mano me tadeva me darshya deva rupam prasid devesha jagana nivas prasid devesha jagana nivas. After seeing this universal form which I have never seen before, I am gladdened, but at the same time my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personality of Godhead. O Lord of Lords, O abode of the universe. Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagwan ki Jai. Shrimad Bhagavad Gita ki Jai. Shri Arjun ki Jai. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Bolo. Kritinam Gadinam Chakrahastam Ichchami Tvam Drashtam Aham Tathaiva Tenaiva Rupen चतुर्भुजेन चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते किरीटिनां गदिनां चक्रहस्तं इच्छामि त्वां द्रष्टुम् अहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते. O universal form, O thousand-armed Lord, I wish to see you in your four-armed form, with the helmeted head and with the club, weed, conch and lotus flower in your hands. I long to see you in that form. Shri Bhagavan Vach Maya Prasannena Tav Arjuna Idam Rupam Param Darshitam Atam Yogat Maya Prasannena Tav Arjuna Idam Maya Prasannena Tav Arjuna Idam Rupam Param Darshitam Atam Yogat Tejo Mayam Vishvam Anantam Adyam Yanme Tvad Annena Na Drishta Purvam. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, my dear Arjun, happily have I shown you by my internal potency this supreme universal form within the material world. No one before you have ever seen this primal form, unlimited and full of glaring effulgence. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की न वेद यज्ञाध्ययनैर न दानैर न वेद यज्ञ अध्ययनैर न दानैर न च क्रियाभिर न तपोभिर उग्रै न वेद यज्ञ अध्ययनैर न दानैर न च क्रियाभिर न तपोभिर उग्रै एवं रूप शक्य अहम नरीलोके दर्शतं त्वद अन्येन कुरु प्रवीर. O best of the Kuru warriors, no one before you have ever seen this universal form of mine, for neither by studying the Vedas, nor by performing sacrifices, nor by charity, nor by pious activities, nor by severe penances can I be seen in this form, in the material world. Mate vyatha macha bamud bhavo Mate vyatha macha bamud bhavo Drishtva rupam ghoram idringam mamedam Drishtva rupam ghoram idringam mamedam Vyapeta bhi prita mana punastvam तदेव मे रूपमिदं प्रपश्य. You have been perturbed and bewildered by seeing this horrible feature of mine. Now let it be finished. My devotee, be free again from all disturbances. With a peaceful mind, you can now see the form you desire. So भगवान फिर वही रूप दिखाते हैं. संजय उवाच इति अर्जुनं वासुदेवस्तथोक्त्वा स्वैकं रूपं दर्शयाम आसभूव. दर्शयाम आसभूव आश्वास्याम आस च भीतमेनम्. आश्वास्याम आस च भीतमेनम्. भूत्वा पुनः सौम्य वपुर्महात्मा. Sanjay said to Dhritarashtra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, having spoken thus to Arjuna, displayed his real four-armed form and at last showed his two-armed form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. Arjuna Ovacha Drishtavedam Manushamarupam Tava Saumyam Janardana Idanim Asmi Samvritaha Sacheta Prakritam Gata. When Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form, he said, O Janardhan, seeing this human-like form, so very beautiful, I am now composed in mind and I am restored to my original nature. Shri Bhagavan Ovacha Sudurdarsham idam rupam Sudurdarsham idam rupam Drishtovan asi yanmam Devapi asya rupasya Nityam darshana kankshina. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, My dear Arjuna, this form of mine you are now seeing is very difficult to behold. Even the demigods are ever seeking the opportunity to see this form, which is so dear. Jai Ho. जय जय कन्हैया. न अहम वेदैर न तपसा न दाने न चेजया. Okay. न अहम वेदैर न तपसा न दानेन न चेज्यया शक्य एवं विदोदरष्टम् दृष्टवानसि मां यथा. The form you are seeing with your transcendental eyes cannot be understood simply by studying the Vedas, nor by undergoing serious penances, nor by charity, nor by worship. It is not by these means that one can see me as I am. Bhaktaya tvananyaya shakya भक्त्या त्वानन्यया शक्या अहम एवं विदो अर्जुन ज्ञातं दरष्टं च तत्त्वेन प्रवेष्टुम च परन्तप. My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service can I be understood as I am, standing before you, and can thus be seen directly. Only in this way can you enter into the mysteries of my understanding. Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchitananda Vigraha Anadar Yadar Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. So please all become strong now. This is the last verse, 55th. Get the courage now. Mat karma karin mat paramo. Mat karma karin mat paramo. Mad bhakta sang varjata. Mad bhakta sang varjata. Nirvaira sarva bhuteshu. Nirvaira sarva bhuteshu. Yasa mameti pandava. Yasa mameti pandava. Very, very important verse. Please repeat again. Mat karma karena. Bolo. Mat karma karena. Mat parmo. Mat karma karena mat parmo. Mad bhakta sang varjata. Nirvaira sarva bhuteshu. Yasa mameti pandava. Once more. Mat karma karin mat parmo. Mat karma karin mat parmo. Mad bhakta sang varjata. Nirvaira sarva bhuteshu. Yasa mameti pandava. Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. पांडव श्री अर्जुन की जय. श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय. Okay, now we chant once more. ये सब हमारे भैया वापस आ गए, तो ये भी एक बार फिर इसका आनंद ले लें. अब तो अंतिम श्लोक है भाई. आपकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहा था मैं. बोलो. मत कर्म करें मत परमो. मत कर्म करें मत परमो. मद भक्ता संग वर्जता. मद भक्ता संग वर्जता. निर्वैर सर्वभूतेषु. निर्वैर सर्वभूतेषु. यः साममेति पांडव. यः साममेति पांडव. My dear Arjuna, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from the contamination of fruitive activities and mental speculation, he who works for me, who makes me the supreme goal of his life, and who is friendly to every living being, he certainly comes to me. He certainly
comes to me.
So go to him. Now you all go to him. Okay? Now you all go to him. Okay?
Yes.
Dhanyavad. And don't come back. Don't.
Come back.
श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की
जय।
गोलोक वृंदावन धाम की
जय।
श्री अर्जुन की
जय।
श्रीला प्रभुपाद की
जय।
आप सब की
जय।
श्री अत्रि अनुसुईया आश्रम की
जय।
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
हरे
राम
राम
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे
राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे
राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे
राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे
राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे
राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे
शिक्षा मूवमेंट की, सनातन धर्म की, गौ माता की, मातृ पृथ्वी भारतवर्ष की, श्रीला प्रभुपाद की, सेवियर ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड श्रीला प्रभुपाद की, सेवियर ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस श्रीला प्रभुपाद की। The all glories to Shri Gauranga and all glories to Shri Guru and Gauranga. Very good, very nice. You are very wonderful devotee.
Shri Gurudev ki jai, Gurudev ki jai, Gurudev ki jai, Gaura Premanande।
भाई जय तो आप सभी की है, मैंने आपको सोने नहीं दिया इतनी देर हैं। कल को आप सभी ने काम पर जाना है। मेरी जय काहे कि मैं तो ना कुछ